Permanent Secretary for Ministry of Education for Edo State, Ojo Akinlonge, don emphasize the important role wey sports dey play for education, as im tok say Edo State commitment to sports don make dem get global recognition. Akinlonge tok dis one on behalf of the Commissioner for Education, Dr. John Usaviawe, for the opening ceremony of the 2024 Principals Cup wey dem do on Thursday, October 24, 2024 for Edo College, Benin City. The event na Ministry of Education organize am under the administration of Governor Godwin Obaseki. The Principals Cup na yearly football competition wey dey shele between secondary schools for the 3 senatorial districts for the state to promote grassroots sports development. This year na the 3rd edition of the competition wey go run till Monday, November 25, 2024. For their speech, the Permanent Secretary and the coordinator of the 2024 Principals Cup, Osbeth Aroloye, can talk about how the competition go take shele for the 18 local government areas for the state.
We are very happy to have you today and to welcome every one of you to this year's tournament of the Principals Cup. You know, in Edo State, we have seen the value of sports in education. In so many ways, I can go on and talk about the benefits of sports in education. When we talk about mental fitness, physical fitness, leadership capacity that sports bring to students, social skills, and every aspect of development that you know and we can think of. But also quite importantly, Edo State has been well known for sports. You remember the days of Bendel Insurance, the Ogbe Hard Court, and just so much great inroads we had made in sports. This government desires to take us back to the days when sports is integrated into our educational system, not just in the classrooms, but also out there in the field where children can actively be involved in sports and sporting activities, so we can catch them young, we can develop sports, and we can build capacity for sports so that we can be players globally with respect to sports. We're particularly happy to have all of you here. Our special thanks goes to all the secondary schools that are participating. We also want to thank Edo College especially for hosting us in this tournament. And we want to thank the children, the students who are also partakers in these activities. We always pray that may the best side win. And above all, that we have a lot of fun. And we look forward to a safe, well-organized and very enjoyable time as we come together.
We are also very impressed with the number of schools that have applied. Now today's match is a kickoff. We are having teams from Oredo. We also want to let you know that this competition is taking place across the 18 local governments in the state. I want to wish all the players a very delightful and competitive outcome. Now this competition is not just aimed at getting to know the best team. It's giving the players and the schools the opportunity to express themselves. And we hope that by the end of the competition, by November 25th, we will have the zonal Principals Cup winners at different zones. Now this competition is what will lead to the Governor's Cup next year.
Ojo Akinlonge, along with other government officials, can salute the first set of female players and come officially kick off the first match for around 40 minutes past 3 for Evelyn. The first match now between the girls of Edo College, where wear lemon and mint blue jerseys, and Oba Akenwa Senior Secondary School, where wear yellow and blue jersey. Edo College can win the match with 5-0 victory as them score 4 regular goals and seal the win with 1 penalty. For the second match, the boys of Edo College wey wear black and lemon jersey come face Edo College wey wear white and green jerseys. The strong 54 minutes game be one end for 1-1 draw, but one crucial error by Edo College goalkeeper come allow the ball to pass through in hand, wey come make Edo College secure victory with 2-1 win. After the match, the permanent secretary Ojo Akinlonge, the coordinator Osbert Aroleye, and some executive principals Konya said them appreciate the government and the ministry's effort to provide ogbonge platforms for students to showcase their talents.
Why we are doing this is we recognize that sports is a very important part of our lives as in the life of these children, because sports gives mental development, it gives physical development, and it also actually helps children to learn better. It opens up the brain. And then we know too that when you see children abroad, all these big football players and basketball players, they didn't just jump there. They started playing when they were small. So what we try to do for Edo State is to catch children young so that we can build them, we can develop them, so they can become great sportsmen and women. So this is part of the process and one way you can do it is when schools compete, because before they compete, they go train inside, they go do a lot of activities inside, they go practice inside. And as a state, we're also trying to bring in sport as part of the school curriculum. It's not only for classroom, they also have to get to the field. And that's what we're seeing here. As you can see, these are girl football players. If you look back in the time past, maybe at my age, at my time, women don't play football. But now today, football amongst men and women is a great thing. It's something that is exciting. And we know that from these children, you can see those who have potential to become great footballers. We need to identify them now. We need to train them to become great football players. This is the third edition, I think. And then and each year we're continuing, we're building on it, and we're growing on it. Yeah.
I've said this all over my platform. Today we kickstart the football match in Edo State for Principals Cup in secondary schools. And of course, this is a competition that goes around the 3 senatorial districts. The balls are being played all across the state, and the best will come out and select the best out of them.
Today now the kickoff, we just done the kickoff. We've seen Obakens who have played with Motown. Now we don't see the kind of players we did in both schools, and we appreciate the effort of the schools bringing these players down. And we don't see the skills. You agree with me that with time our schools will start to produce players for Super Falcons and the Super Eagles. These are the grassroots, and that's why from the State Ministry of Education and the State Secondary Education Board, really they encourage school sports. So this is one of the avenues to give the students that time avenue and to showcase their talents. Now, for the public, they are going to see so many exciting games, and we encourage them, those within our school premises, they can just stop by and also watch and see us unveiling the next future stars for both the male and female. That's the Super Eagles and the not just the Super Eagles. I know they are going to start from the different Golden Eaglets and the Flying Eagles. Then even you can see that presently Nigeria under-17 female team, they are doing very well. So from what we are seeing now, we hope to improve or even increase the number of such players from our state. This competition they take place in the 18 local government areas. Now today is just the beginning, and for different local government, different zones, we play for Edo North, we play for Edo Central, we play for Edo South. So all the schools, we have over 140 schools they participate for this competition. Now last year edition, for the different zones, we get defending champions. For Edo North, we get St. Angeles for girls, the Oge Secondary School for boys. For Edo Central, RON I win last year. Then for the girls, Obiaza missed. For Edo South, we get St. David's missed. We get Edo Polo. We also get Idia College, defending champions, I refer to them as the Syria winners. So and also we get this other Idia College and Enya Secondary School. So those are the champions from last year's. I hope that they are defending champions. I hope that maybe at the end of this competition we get new champions to take the reign. For the venue, where we did Edo College is one of the venue. Edo College is a venue that's for Imaguru College for Oredo local government. For Ubaka, we get for Western Boys High School. Then for Ovia Northeast and Ovia North, we get Izomo College. If you go for Edo Central, we get Arwe, we get Egbari Secondary School. For Edo North, our ladies of Fatima na center, St. Angela's na centers, Inu Memorial College na center, and so many other centers across the state.
I will thank our Honorable Commissioner, Dr. Joe Salviawe, and the board secretary and all the directors there for putting all of this together. In fact, since their tenure, it has been wonderful. The reform has brought back sports. What is happening here today is happening in Edo State, in the 3 senatorial districts. This is Edo South, and this is one of the venues where this Principal's Cup competition, this is the opening ceremony. It kickstarts today, and it's being competed for all over the place in Edo State. So it's here annually. It helps children to develop their talent, and they are happy about it. You can see all the schools, the principals, the directors, even our peers was also here. I represented the Honorable Commissioner. So it's a good thing. We love it.
The coaches of Iyogbe College and Edo College come also share their thoughts on the outcome of the match as then they look back on their team's performance.
Despite it rained heavily, my players shocked them. They surprised them because as it be so, we won 2-1. Because to them they felt that, okay, they are going to prepare us. But because God helped us, all glory to God, all thanks to God, we trained very well. And our boys, they showed them how to play football. And after showing them how to play football, the outcome came out in our favor. So I'm saying God will bless my football team. God will bless all my players. They all did well. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
It was a good game. It was a good game. We fought very hard, and my boys did all very proud. They are all my students. From A to Z, they are all my students. You can come to the school and make inquiry. You see all of them are all my students.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.